and welcome to my channel. Today I'm not in the allotment. Today I'm going to show you how to make banana skins. Thank you for my colleagues at work that helped me collect these into a dry powder, which is good to scatter around your plants. And this is good for the garden because it's got potassium and sulfate and calcium and many other minerals, which is good for growing things. So I'll use two items to do this job. I'll use an air dryer and a blender. That's all you need to make this powder for your garden. So I'll start by cutting the bananas. I normally cut the ends off and the stalk off, and they can go into the compost because we don't really need them. They take too long to dry, so I cut them off and just peel them a little. Doesn't matter about the label, they can go in as well. All goes into the same place. Okay, I normally put about that much in each tray. I shall continue with this and come back to you later. So I put them, I normally set this to about 65 and it takes about maybe 18 hours to air dry. So there they are, that's running. As I say, the stalks can go into the compost. So I'd like to show you the blending process. They're going to take 18 hours, but I have some I made earlier. These are nice and dry and they're crispy. Just right to put in the blender. I'll just zoom into that so you can see. That will be fine. Then it will eventually go. So that should be enough. And this can be a bit dusty when you first open it. And there you are. Banana powder ready for your garden. So I'll just say a thank you to my colleagues for helping me collect all these bananas so I can make this, and I will use this in my allotment, which I'll show you on a later video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.